Open concept paradise, minimalist house design meets nature in stunning Atelier House. Introduction to Atelier House design. Welcome to today's exploration of minimalist design with a focus on nature. In this video, we delve into the concept of the Atelier House, a stunning example where minimalist house design harmonizes with the natural environment. We'll uncover how simplicity in design can enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, creating a living experience that feels both open and integrated with nature. If you enjoy discovering unique architectural styles and innovative design ideas, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment to stay updated with our latest content. Embracing minimalism in architecture. At the heart of the Atelier House is its minimalist design, which strips away unnecessary elements to focus on clean lines, open spaces, and functionality. This approach not only maximizes the usability of each area but also creates a serene environment that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Minimalism in this context means more than just aesthetic simplicity. It reflects a philosophy that values space, light, and the natural materials that enhance the living experience. The role of open concept design. Open concept design is a central feature of the Atelier House, breaking down traditional barriers between rooms to create a fluid and interconnected living space. This design approach facilitates a sense of openness and continuity, allowing natural light to flow freely throughout the home. By removing walls and partitions, the Atelier House embraces a layout that fosters social interaction and a seamless connection between different areas, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining guests. Integrating nature into the home. One of the most compelling aspects of the Atelier House is its integration with the natural surroundings. Large windows and glass walls are strategically placed to frame outdoor views and bring in natural light, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor environments. The use of natural materials like wood, stone, and organic textures further enhances this connection, creating a harmonious balance that celebrates nature as an integral part of the home. Sustainable design practices. Sustainability is a key consideration in the design of the Atelier House. The use of eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems ensures that the home is not only visually appealing but also environmentally responsible. Features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and high-performance insulation contribute to the house's sustainability, demonstrating how modern architecture can align with green building principles while maintaining aesthetic and functional excellence. Designing for functionality and aesthetics. The Atelier House is a prime example of how minimalist design can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Each element is thoughtfully designed to serve a purpose while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. Built-in storage solutions, multifunctional furniture, and adaptable spaces are incorporated to enhance usability without compromising the overall design. This balance between form and function is crucial in creating a home that is both practical and visually stunning. Creating a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. The seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces is a hallmark of the Atelier House. By extending living areas into outdoor environments, such as patios and gardens, the design encourages residents to engage with nature on a daily basis. This connection is achieved through the strategic placement of sliding doors, expansive windows, and outdoor living areas that blend effortlessly with the interior, creating a unified space that enhances the living experience. incorporating natural light. Natural light plays a pivotal role in the design of the Atelier House. Large windows and skylights are used to maximize daylight, reducing the need for artificial lighting and enhancing the home's connection to the outdoors. The careful placement of these openings ensures that every room benefits from natural light, contributing to a bright and welcoming atmosphere that changes with the time of day and seasons. Personalizing minimalist spaces. While minimalist design emphasizes simplicity, it also allows for personal expression through carefully selected decor and furnishings. In the Atelier House, personal touches are added through the use of artwork, textiles, and unique design elements that reflect the homeowner's style. This personalization ensures that the home remains functional and stylish while retaining the essence of minimalist design. Conclusion and invitation to subscribe. As we wrap up our exploration of the Atelier House, we hope you've gained insight into how minimalist design can beautifully merge with nature to create an open concept paradise. From its seamless indoor-outdoor flow to its sustainable features, the Atelier House stands as a testament to the elegance of minimalist architecture. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more innovative design ideas, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts. Your support helps us bring more inspiring content to you.